your gang. Want these kind of hard zooms in your Alight Motion? Without wasting time, let's get into the tutorial.
Set your clips according to you want.
It's me. It's me looking down on me. The world above must also be. This could go on for infinity. Day, 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 day. Color coded just to keep me sane. My world is finally starting to take shape. I press the button and it bursts into life. This time nothing will escape my sight. I see the stars and the planets soon follow. Thank